Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to unbox the Boat Rugby speaker. So this is a 10-watt Bluetooth speaker which have mic support and also have bass in its audio. So this is the box, this is the front side, which basically says Rugby portable Bluetooth speaker, Boat, plug into Nirvana, 10-watt fidelity sound, passive radiator for super bass, mic for calls, then boat, and here are the description. Rock Bluetooth speaker, power 10-watt, stereo twin speaker for studio sound, bass passive radiator for super bass, talk with inbuilt mic, non-stop up to 8 hours of battery backup. So it says MRP is 3,990 but is available at around rupees 2,000 online. Let's just open this box up. So okay, so it is sealed over here. Let's just break the seal. Okay, so nothing fancy, just the speaker itself. Let's just keep the speaker aside and see other contents. So here's another box inside, I guess. Yeah, so nothing in it, empty. So over here we do have a manual, auxiliary cable and a charging cable, which is a micro USB cable. So this is the instruction manual, I guess. Yeah, and this is the warranty card. So this product comes with a 1-year warranty. Yeah, so let's just power on this guy up. Okay,
ready. Discovering.
yeah, so it is on. I'm having my device over here, so let's just turn on the Bluetooth and let's search for new devices. Boat Rugby. So let's
Pairing successful.
okay, so let's just play our audio and see how's the sound of the speaker. So let's just maximize the volume up.
Records.
So in the conclusion, this is a good speaker and have some decent sound and bass. So let me just give you all a closer look around the speaker. So this is the top side. Okay, let me just move the tripod a bit up. So this is the top side, side speaker, then bottom side, which just says some information. Then here is the auxiliary side, microphone and charging side, and has a rope given attached to it. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and do comment if you didn't like the video, and you can dislike too. And also, peace out.